Ever packed last minute, tossed in something harmless and breezed through security? Well, in 2025, that could land you in serious trouble. Travelers are being detained, fined, even arrested, all because of ordinary things they thought were safe. Let's break down the 10 everyday items that can get you stopped cold at the airport, how to avoid it. 10 over-the-counter medications without labels. It's just aspirin or vitamins, right? Not anymore. Customs officers in 2025 are cracking down on unlabeled pills due to drug trafficking cases. Even harmless supplements can look like narcotics. In places like Japan or Saudi Arabia, people have been detained for days until pills were verified. Always keep meds sealed, labeled, and bring a doctor's note if needed. 9 smart luggage with non-removable batteries. Smart bags are convenient until they're not. In 2025, airlines like Emirates and Delta want to even check in luggage if the lithium battery can be removed. Security sees them as fire hazards. Travelers have missed flights over this. Check your bag. If the battery's built in, it stays home. 8 oversized power banks. That huge power bank? It might not fly. If your battery doesn't show its watt-hour rating, or it exceeds limits, it'll be confiscated immediately. One traveler in Hong Kong was fined for carrying a normal charger that hit a massive 200 watt-hour cell. Always check your power bank's specs. Label it, or lose it. 7 vapes and e-cigarettes. The rules here are a mess. Qatar Airways bans e-liquids entirely. Japan enforces limits stricter than the TSA. And charging a vape on a plane? That's treated like tampering with a smoke detector. A criminal act. If you're unsure of every country's rule, don't bring it. 6 unregistered drones. They look like toys, but airports treat them like spy tech. In 2025, Egypt arrested tourists for carrying drones near heritage sites. India now requires travelers to register drones before entering the country. Unless you're licensed or filming professionally, leave it behind. 5 CBD products legal at home, banned abroad. CBD oils, gummies, lotions, all red flags in places like Dubai, Japan, and Indonesia. Even tiny amounts can trigger drug laws and lead to arrest. If you're not 100% sure it's legal at your destination, it's not worth the risk. 4 hidden cameras or recording devices, spy pens, glasses with hidden lenses, baby monitors disguised as clocks. All of these now raise suspicion of espionage in 2025. Security scanners can detect micro lenses even when they're off. If it looks sneaky or secretive, don't pack it. 3 counterfeit or fake branded goods. That fake designer bag or knockoff sneakers? Dangerous souvenir. AI scanners in European airports now detect counterfeits automatically. France and Italy hand out €1,000 fines for fake luxury items. Even cheap fakes can get you flagged. Stick to authentic. 2 rechargeable plasma lighters. They're cool, but banned worldwide. After several incidents of sparking and overheating, plasma and arc lighters are now prohibited. Even if they're labeled TSA approved, airport staff won't take the risk. Bring a disposable lighter instead, or buy one when you land. 1 everyday tools that count as weapons. This is the one that surprises people most. Tactical pens, souvenir knives, belt buckle blades. Throwing stars, all flagged as weapons in 2025. One traveler in London was fined for a pocket multi-tool under 2 inches. If it's sharp, metallic, or disguised, it's a no-go. You land in Dubai, tired and jet-lagged. Security pulls your bag. Smart suitcase flagged, vape confiscated, CBD swab lights up. Suddenly, your dream trip becomes a border nightmare. That's how fast harmless becomes high alert. Know your destination's laws. They vary wildly. Keep original labels, meds, cosmetics, electronics. Understand battery limits. No markings means confiscation. And when in doubt, declare it or leave it behind. A 5-minute check before your trip can save you hours of trouble. Or worse. If this helped you avoid a travel disaster, hit that like button, share it with your travel buddies, and tell me in the comments what airport rule surprised you most. Subscribe to AirSmart Guide, your passport to smarter, safer travel. Stay sharp, travel smart, and I'll catch you in the next one.